In today's dynamic business environment, selecting the right financial management software is a critical decision. Sage Intacct, a cloud-based financial management platform, has garnered significant attention for its robust features and scalability. This naturally leads to the question, which companies are using Sage Intacct? Understanding the types and sizes of organizations that have adopted this platform can provide valuable insights for businesses considering it. While a definitive, real-time list of every single company using Sage Intacct is proprietary information, we can certainly paint a comprehensive picture by examining the types of businesses, industries, and sizes that commonly rely on this software. Based on available information and industry analysis, Sage Intacct caters to a diverse range of organizations, particularly those experiencing growth and requiring more sophisticated financial management capabilities than entry-level solutions can offer. One of the key strengths of Sage Intacct is its suitability for mid-sized businesses. These are companies that have outgrown basic accounting software but may not require the complexity and cost associated with enterprise-level ERP systems. Sage Intacct offers a sweet spot, providing advanced features such as multi-entity consolidation, robust reporting and analytics, and customizable workflows, all within a cloud-based platform that can scale with the business. However, the adoption of Sage Intacct isn't limited strictly by size. We also see larger organizations and even some smaller, high-growth companies leveraging its capabilities. For larger entities, Sage Intacct's ability to handle complex financial structures, automate intricate processes, and provide deep insights into performance across different business units makes it a compelling choice. For smaller, rapidly expanding companies, the scalability and advanced features offer a future-proof solution that can support their growth trajectory. In terms of industries, Sage Intacct boasts a significant presence across various sectors. Some of the prominent industries where Sage Intacct sees strong adoption include software and SaaS, software-as-a-service companies. These businesses often have unique revenue recognition requirements, subscription-based models, and the need for real-time visibility into key SaaS metrics. Sage Intacct's features are well-suited to address these complexities. Nonprofit organizations, with their specific fund accounting needs, grant management, and donor tracking requirements, nonprofits find Sage Intacct's dedicated functionalities particularly valuable. Professional services firms, consulting companies, marketing agencies, and other service-based businesses benefit from Sage Intacct's project accounting capabilities, time and expense management, and billing functionalities. Healthcare organizations. The healthcare industry, with its complex regulatory landscape and reporting needs, utilizes Sage Intacct for its robust financial controls and compliance features. Financial services. Investment management firms, insurance companies, and other financial institutions leverage Sage Intacct for its sophisticated reporting, multi-entity management, and security features. Wholesale and distribution. Companies involved in the movement of goods appreciate Sage Intacct's inventory management integrations and its ability to handle complex pricing structures. While these are some of the leading sectors, companies in manufacturing, construction, and hospitality also utilize Sage Intacct to streamline their financial operations and gain better insights into their business performance. It's also important to note the types of roles and departments within these companies that are the primary users and beneficiaries of Sage Intacct. Typically, the finance department, including CFOs, controllers, accountants, and financial analysts, are the core users. However, the platform's reporting and dashboarding capabilities often provide valuable insights for other departments, such as project management, sales, and operations, enabling better decision-making across the organization. To get a more concrete idea, publicly available case studies and testimonials from Sage often highlight specific companies that have found success with their platform. These examples can offer a glimpse into the real-world application of Sage Intacct across different industries and company sizes. While a comprehensive list isn't readily available, exploring these success stories can provide valuable context.